It's a traditional thing for ship. When they lay the keel, they put in a gold coin for good luck.
We'll go from rib to rib.
And then cut around it, yeah.
And cut around it, nestle it around it.
That'll
all the
look
way.
nice. That'll look nice.
It'll
Yeah.
look really nice.
Yeah, because the you'll have the brown ribs like here, and then you'll
Right.
have the wooden floor. But I think you've got a
These are super steep.
super what?
Steep.
Yeah, exactly.
down.
So I think you personally, I think you've got to bring that back and try and make the angle less. Because I mean, I know it's a problem. It's always been a problem because we had.
On the bow.
Yeah, it's big. There's a big hatch there.
Yeah.
Not so big back here.
Right. I mean, I don't know how you get that engine out of there if you had to.
Oh, very with bit of ingenuity. So we took the beams out. These beams. Took a couple of these beams. Took the planks out and then took the engine out.
Okay.
Or put it in, depending on your point of view.
So yeah, that was my idea, to try to get as many people who can go downstairs, a spiral staircase. They would have a handrail. They've got about 18 inches on each side.
Yeah, I mean, I think if there are enough dowels and pegs, you'll get the strength. But obviously, you want the strength in this bit so that if people are walking around up here, it doesn't sort of crunch in or.
From the tip of that down to the floor.
Yeah, which we can sort of see.
You see that?
See there, can't we? Yeah.
Right. So we're going to leave that last one off because it won't get through the door too high.
Yeah, and it's sort of bolted on, isn't it? Or not pegged on.
Right.
So don't know where the.
The Phoenician joints now are right about 8.5, 9 inches apart. So we'll probably mimic that same thing.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Because that's just about as much wood as is in one of those mortise and
Pegs.
tendons.
Yeah. I approve Mike's design for mortise and tenon joints. Yeah, it's nuts. It's good. I think. I mean, I might show it tonight. I've got the block of the model, which is sort of to scale, but you can probably see them in here anyway.
Uh-huh.
And obviously they're thinner and narrower.
Right.
But they may be a little bit longer. I mean, they're
glued in, I think.
They're glued in.
Maybe not.
But
I'm
I mean,
not strong.
I think
They could be longer, it could be shorter. I mean,
the pegs in the boat, I think, are probably a touch longer, maybe 5 or 6.
Yeah.
But then they're slightly thinner than that, and that's got more cross-sectional strength than the other ones. So, yeah, I think you're brilliant. Good.
Thank you.
Worms. But I'm still getting in the container I've got. It's still giving out moisture.
Yes.
So on the roof of the container, it's still so we're opening it up to try and get it to.
What if we stick a dehumidifier? Do you have power there?
Well, yeah. It's right there. I mean, that's a discussion we need to have with John when we ship it back the other half. I mean, how close are you there?
Well, the idea is to get most of this somewhere. We still have the container next door, so get it prepped. probably where it should be. That's what I was talking about whenever we.
Yeah. Well, I suppose like a wooden boat should have some flexibility in it anyway.
Visible.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Or plate. These are nice and flat.
We don't want to plate them because they're going to be seen, but this is where the dowels will go,
Yeah.
all the way along there.
And then the ribs, there's only 1, 2.
That's the purpose of this.
I'm going to show you.
All right. Okay.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I'm right on. Take it your way. Let's go that way a little bit more, guys. That's our workbench. You know, works either way.
Oh,
so
I see.
when you turn it over, it's three-legged. It's concave. It's convex. It's very sturdy.
Yeah. Wow.
It brings it up to your height when you're working on it, as you can see. Steady little workbench.
Oh, yeah.